Welcome back, another video. This one's pretty much after Backbeach Drift. Would have been 2 videos ago. Yeah, it didn't really go as planned. Oh shit, cracked anyway, but that's what's going on at the moment. At Backbeach Drift, I don't know if you've noticed, but at the end of the video you see where I spin around, there's actually smoke coming out of the bonnet, and it was coming out of the catch can. Isn't good. And then so we pretty much got straight back home, and the next day we ripped the motor up, sent it down the chicken at EFI Turbo. He's ripped it, pulled it apart straight away because he knows we're sort of under a deadline now, and found that it's got a mounted piston number 1, or not, you know, just a corner of it. I'll try to put a photo on the screen. Yeah, that's what we were dealing with. It still ran, but it was just real low compression on cylinder 1. It's like 40 psi or something, and the rest were like between 145 and 150. So yeah, that's gone down. But in saying that, we were ripping it all out anyway because we're going to do a full refresh on it before the LZ World Tour, and that's what we're just starting now. We're just going to start fucking ripping it down. I haven't done anything in the back other than painted these, got these powder coated, and a new radiator and stuff when we had that big fire at Bay Park. But yeah, we're just going to strip it down now. Got the Romania coming tomorrow to rip the windscreen out and the 2 back windows, and then we'll start sanding it. We're going to paint the inside and the outside. We're still a little unsure on colours. It's just neutral colours probably. To the inside like a dark grey or something, and the outside we might just go black, a bit plain black. But there's a few black S15s at the moment, so I don't know. But yeah, that's our mission now. Dallas has just got the side skirts off. We're going to get up on the hoist, drop the subframes, pull all the interior out, pull all the back stuff out, radiator, everything. Get it all stripped today, and then suss out a plan and fucking sand it down and get it all painted up. I should have actually had that time lapse going in the back because it's pretty slow going on the front, all the little niggly stuff. But Dallas has gone hard and got it pretty much near all stripped out. So we haven't done anything since the fire. Feel like it's starting to rust up. It catches water in there, but it's not bad, but it definitely needs a coat of paint. Even the inside's pretty good. Look at all the paint peel, and where the fire was at the back there, there's like surface rust and stuff. There would have probably been all the extinguisher dust, I'd say. I was warned about it and we blew it out like a million times, water blasted it 47 times. Yeah, there was like a bit of water in there because the car's been outside and it's been raining. But otherwise, yeah. Just setting up the old water blaster, giving it a quick degrease before we strip it so it's unmobile. Dallas got all the back done. Majority of the front shit's done, but yeah, just thought while we're there we'll fucking degrease it, water blast it now, and then we're good to go. I just pulled the subframe out by myself. Colby's got it. Yeah, boats down.
180. This is brake fluid slippery on the old Crocs, isn't it? Safety boots. Just lift off onto the...
One down, one to go. If you left the wheels on it, you can just wheel it around.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
We got $50 for a box with a scrap.
No, get in there. Dallas is on the inside, doing all the loom and stuff. And the last, I think we've still got one more seat in there, eh?
Yep.
How are we getting on in there, brother?
Oh, almost ready for scrap, man.
Yeah. And then we got all this taken off. That's all cleaned up, winters and that. Rear subframe. And then this is just the two main bolts holding it in. Drop that out, give it a clean up. Those are just, yeah, they're pretty good. Give them a good water blast and stuff, and then give them a little tickle up with the spray can, I think. This one's still painted, same paint as my V-rod. Can't really tell, but in the sun it looks good. See the glitter in it. It's wet at the moment, but yeah. That's got a bit of raw steel where we put a bracket for the exhaust, so I'll just touch that with the black spray can. And then, yeah, suss all this out. Get all this out, water blast it. We get in there, it's going to be funny strip today, and then wait for the homie Manio's going to take that window out tomorrow, and there's two side ones. And then it's pretty much drag it outside and give it a good sand up. Still bits of loom in there and that. We get there, we get in there, we get in there, almost there.
Clearly not.
Smell break for it. Right.
What do you reckon, buddy? Doing a good job?
Oh, he's doing his first thing all day.
Oh, yeah. First day on the job. What do you reckon, buddy?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, what do you reckon? Some of the fuck would have been lost without him, actually.
Fire up New Zealand.
Oh well, that's us day one. Probably, yeah, kept this video here, but she's all but stripped. Yeah, it's still pretty good, eh? Just that's where we had that fire last year at Bay Park. But otherwise she's still pretty good. Got that side still looks mint, that side's a bit burnt up. But yeah, it's fully stripped, so we can start. I'll probably get the girls, the wife hopefully, and daughter on the sticker mission. Just yeah, heat gun, get all the stickers off it for the guards. Hopefully we get some better weather tomorrow. It's pissing down all day, so I can get all the guards out there. I'll degrease them, water blast them, and then get onto sanding it down, prepping up for paint. Got my mate Manya coming tomorrow, Arvo, like I said, pull those windows out. Then yeah, pretty much after that we can full send it. Got 4 weeks till the LZ Fest, so we've still got a bit of time. All that stuff out there, the diff and subframe, front subframe, Wisefab is all degreased and water blasted, ready to go back in really. So we just need to find somewhere dry to put it tomorrow, probably in my other shed, just while we prep this up to get ready for paint. But yeah, the guts of it, it's all bloody all gone. Just need to take that elastic thing off and a few cable ties, the neck strap. But yeah, you see, I just all that. See that from the fire, it's sort of, and the paint's like all yuck. And it would have been from the extinguishers and stuff like that. But yeah, floor's all yuck and shit. We'll just put some fucking shit paint on there to cover the raw steel for now. But yeah, can't wait to rip into painting it and getting it all fresh again, ready for the LZ Fest. So there's all that, come up good. But yeah, it's got the tarp down. Usually put it out on the concrete and do it all, but just gonna pull all that inside for tonight in here. And then yeah, but nah, fucking massive effort from the boys, eh? Especially Dallas. Fuck, he goes hard. Just always keen and just gets in and gets it done. Yeah, fuck, I don't know. I'm gonna do it in like a build series. We'll do this one, then the next one will be like sanding it, painting it, and probably, yeah, probably paint it up and stuff like that. And then I'll post that video, and then we'll do another one where we put the motor in and then go get a tune and stuff like that. And then obviously the LZ World Tour, what we're doing on the 3rd and 4th of May at Taupo. So if you haven't already, it's going to be sick, that event. It'll be one of the biggest events to hit Taupo track, even New Zealand. Got all the Americans and that coming and stuff like that. So if you fucking haven't locked it in yet with tickets, because I reckon it'll sell out too, should probably suss out that now. I think they're live on the website, LZ website, probably Choice Events and stuff like that. Guy and Steph and the team at Choice running most of it, I think. Drift games and all that. But yeah, I'm just gonna lock up and call it a night, because I'm fucking naked. I feel like I'm getting a bit crook. Sort of fucking dragging the chain today. But yeah, fucking good car. We've done this multiple times, so just start getting over it. Pretty keen on the new build, but that's a story for another day, eh? But yeah, all good. Just looking at the analytics of my channel and stuff, there's like 90% of the viewers watching the videos, they haven't even subscribed, or was it 85% or something? So yeah, if you could have fucking do me a huge favor, subscribe, like, comment. I always reply to the comments, or try to anyway. Any comment's a good comment, eh? But yeah, all good. Well, yeah, that's the car now. Next one will be sanded and painted, and probably start putting it back together. It's sort of got to go fast because we've only got 4 weeks, which seems like a bit, but fuck, it just goes fast, especially when you're working away, which we are next week. So we'll try to get a lot done this weekend and next weekend. But yeah, cheers for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later, ball.